I'm going to do the good points and the bad points, so let's get into it. The good points, it's broken down into top 5 bothies for these genres, if you like. Coast and beaches, families and beginners. So if you're a beginner to walking out in the hills and you want to go and spend the night out, but you're not comfortable being in a tent wild camping, like, you can make your way out to one of these bothies. It's also got like the different regions from the north to the south. It gives you grid references. It gives you the location basically. It's got some good pictures in the book. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop there. There's some real negative reviews out there about this book. I started reading these negative reviews and I was kind of wanting to be like, no, like, it's a good book. However, I had an experience not so long back where I went to a bothy and it was full of young people and they were getting trashed, man. They were getting drunk. They kind of pushed us out and it felt quite intimidating. When you're out there as a hiker and you go to the bothy, you're expecting to meet other hikers there. You're expecting to talk about your adventures. You're expecting to get some sleep. And you arrive and the bothy is just taken over by young people getting absolutely trashed. That means you're not going to get any sleep. It means that potentially somebody's going to get injured because they're drunk. It just like takes the whole experience and it ruins it. A lot of these reviews on like Amazon that I've been flicking through are absolutely slating this book, because they've made the bothies really, really accessible. They've made it so easy to find them, and they never used to be. They used to be like a treasure for a hiker. This comes along and all of a sudden everybody knows where the bothies are in Scotland. These bothies are kept going by the Mountain Bothy Association. The Mountain Bothy Association it started out as a group of people who just go out, keep these bothies going. They just keep them alive. They patch the roofs up, they put nice things in there, they keep the chimneys swept out so that we can go as hikers and really enjoy being in a shelter, like, together, and cooking together and sharing stories together. Like, bothies are a magical place to go.